What is up, you guys? I am back with another video, and guess what? I have recently just purchased a 2008 Yamaha C3. Now I have a silver 2007 and I love it so much that when I saw this, I had to have it. This was actually being sold by a gentleman less than a mile away from my house. It's an off-white color, and it's kind of interesting because it has some pinstriping along the base. Also, look at this pinstriping on the back side, and maybe if the light will show, somebody put a custom vinyl, let's see right here, yeah. So it has a kind of a look of its own, and I really feel like the C3, most scooters I don't find appealing, aesthetically pleasing, but this scooter just, I love the look of it. Now to nitpick, I've gone over this thing with the fine-tooth comb, maybe it'll adjust, but the little screw, where it screws right here, you'll see it's cracked. I super glued that one, and I super glued that one. They're like $7 new, so I ordered one. That's just the way I am, weird like that. Let's see, what else? This piece was broken right here. Now really what seems to break the most is this plastic fan cover that's behind it that these bolts connect to. So I got a new one of these coming. Everything else looks good. There is one minor thing, it might not even show, but it looked, yeah, it'll show. Somebody ran over something. It didn't break through, but it does look like it's a little, you know, you guys will have to tell me if that's effective on the exhaust. But very little to no rust, was indoor kept. The plastics look good. Let's look at this pinstriping on my front fender. And this cream colored is actually quite nice. It's really growing on me. And everything's in good shape. There's a little discoloring that I wasn't able to get out here. I'm not sure why that's that way, but also the thing is, the guy that bought it 3 months ago from Virginia, it was mint condition. His daughter knocked it over, so she knocked that over. That's when the little plastic thing got broken. You usually can tell a scooter's in good shape if this is not worn out right here, and this looks really good. And what's even better, it only had 1,498 miles, so I've gone, you know, about 30 miles on it. Everything is looking good. The horn works, all the lights work. Let's pop the trunk. If I could find my key. One other thing it was missing is the top to the battery. But no damage in the trunk. It's in really great shape. Now, what's interesting, and I'll show a video from riding it, is this obviously has no variator upgrades, and I believe it still has the restrictor washer, because using GPS, once I hit 37 miles an hour, you feel the restrictor kick on, and you cannot get faster really than 38. I never touched 40 in over 10 miles of driving. Now, the shock was a little rusted, and I just put a custom shock on my other scooter, so I used the OEM, which is still in great shape, on this one. And because I have two scooters now, I'll be able to actually test the stock versus the custom and give you guys an opinion on the stiffness difference. The fan, I had to order a fan box because the little outlet, the oil outlet, was broken. So I had to order that, the tail light, a radiator cover, and the battery cover, and a side reflector. And that's about it. Now I'll probably get a windshield for this, but really happy with it. And yeah, so I have two C3s, a 2007 and a 2008. I guess that's about all there is to it. Tires are still in good shape. Brakes have tons of life in them. And yeah, let's fire it up actually. I just changed the gear oil in it. Here. I did take the air filter and put one without the screen on it, my old one that's still in good shape. So yeah, I'm gonna get the oil changed and see you guys on the road.